If you have ever taken a Udemy course and wanted to review the important points you saved, accessing your notes is one of the most helpful features on the platform. Today I will quickly show you how to see all your Udemy notes in one place. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Udemy. Once you land on the website, log in using either your email and password or single sign-on if your organization uses it. After logging in, head to your course library and open the course where you took your notes. With the course open, scroll down slightly and look for the tab labeled Notes. This is usually found beside other tabs like Overview or Q&A. Click on the Notes tab, and this is where every note you have created during the course will appear. Udemy automatically organizes your notes by lecture and timestamps, which means if you saved a note during a specific moment in a video, you can instantly jump back to that exact point. This makes reviewing key information incredibly simple and efficient. Inside the notes section, you can read everything you have saved, edit your notes if you want to refine them, or add new notes as you continue learning. All your notes stay synced to your Udemy account, so you can access them again from any device whenever you want. And that is all it takes. A quick login, open your course, click on Notes, and you have everything you need right in front of you. Use this feature to stay organized and to make your learning experience smoother and more productive. Happy learning!